This one e-power Note Nissan. And there is a very simplest interior in this area. You can see the seats and all of the stuffs. This vehicle. And very simple steering. Luggage area. These are the parking sensors. Another parking sensor and this. This one is I think 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one is 3-cylinder or yes, 3-cylinder engine. It has dual injectors. Each cylinder has dual injectors, means it has 6 injectors. And furthermore, this is inverter converter assembly. On top of that, high voltage cables for orange wires, and another high voltage, which is that side, this one, ABS unit. It has 2 reservoir coolant, this one and that one, brake reservoir tank. Back of the dial booster assembly with the AC compressor, electrical components down there. You can see there's a normal disc braking system has been used. Front. The rear one is drum braking system, not the disc brake system. This one is Nissan e-power Note.